I'm Sinbad the sailor, so hardy and hale. I live on an island on the back of a whale. It's a whale of an island. That's not a bad joke. Its lord and its master is this handsome bloke. Oh, the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow. Sinbad the sailor. I scare all creation on land or on sea, but talk about women, they all fall for me. I take my adventures wherever they're found. I don't want to brag, folks, but I've been around. Oh, the most phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow. Sinbad the sailor. From the Valley of Serpents, these diamonds I took. I clean out those serpents with one dirty look. Serpents. Oh, look at this monster so strong and so huge. He'd frighten King Kong, but he's only my stooge. The capture of Bula for me was just fun. Whoever said two heads were better than one? Ha ha! The most phenomenal, extraordinary fellow.
Jūs, šį lousy sailor!
On one of my travels, I ran into this. Now, there was a thrill I'd be sorry to miss. He spread out his wings and the sunlight grew dim. He took me in his beak, but I ran all with him. Oh, the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow. Sinbad the sailor. Oh, the most phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow. Sinbad the sailor. I'm afraid of nobody under the sun. All I say is boo and my enemies run. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow?
It's Popeye the sailor man. Popeye the sailor man. I'm strong to the finish, 'cause I eat me spinach. I'm Popeye the sailor man. I want tough gazookas, which hates all palookas, but take honey up and square 'em. I biffs and I bops them and always outroughs them, but none of them gets nowhere. If anyone dashes to risk me fist, it's pop and it's wham, understand? So keep good behavior, that's your one lifesaver with Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm strong to the finish, 'cause I eat me spinach. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.
Who blows the air with a note so sour and dares to challenge Sinbad's power? Why, I'll fix him. Wreck that ship. But bring me the woman. Go.
Let me go! No, don't let me go, no!
Oh, man, the lifeboat. Oh, that was a nice ship we had once. Hey, did you see the same thing I saw? I'm gonna take another look at that thing, see what there was. That's the biggest buzzard I ever saw. Where'd the fellow go?
Oh, where am I? Hey, keep away from me, you! Stop that! Leave me alone! Don't do that! I'll punch you right away!
Come here.
I won't!
Get up, sugar, and give us a little smack.
I'll give you a smack all right there!
Hey, we gotta save olive oil. Come on, Wimpy, hurry up before it's too late. Into the brink. End of the line, everybody up.
Oh, what's this? I will Sinbad, enter not, for whosoever passeth out, Sinbad.
Oh, luncheon.
Well,
Here I go within it. Ooh, I don't like this place at all. Whew. Sorry I ever came in here. It's kind of spooky to me. What's this?
oh yeah.
Trying to scare me like that, huh? Can you imagine that dumb mama nose trying to scare me like that, huh? Oh, can you beat that?
Oh. Oh, I'm coming out of. I just got a little wall here. Oh.
Do I hear footprints above me?
Oh.
I want to stop! I want to stop this dancing!
Stop.
Huh?
You
Popeye!
Oh.
Who invited you?
I did. What are you gonna do about it, huh? How did you get in here?
Oh, fouled again. I must resort to my last hamburger. Oh. Huh?
Hey, I wants me Goyle.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Who are you?
I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Who are you?
Who am I?
You heard what I
Who
said.
am I?
That's what I said.
Why? Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow? Who's the most phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow? I'm all made up, nobody under the sun. All I say is, boo, my enemy's wrong. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow? Who?
Popeye the Sailor.
What?
You better fix your shirt there, young fellas.
Hey,
Well, let's see how great you are.
Hey, let me down, you big... Oh, what's this? Hey, let me down, you big overthrown canary. What are you doing, take me for a ride or something? Hey, let me loose, like this. I'm not going your way. Come on, let me go. Hey. Oh. There you are with gravy. The old goose has cooked this guy. Hey, hey, don't you think we better talk this thing over?
Try and get out of this one.
Oh, my head, put over.
comfort to sleep. My baby kid, my peaches and cream. My baby kid, if you don't sleep, my baby kid, I close for you your two eyes like this. Yeah.
Oh, 2 against 1, huh? How do you like that?
What for you like that Popeye smack our face? How do you like about that? You hold that Popeye in these hands. By carbonate, if I had that mug in these hands, I make from him special dish of chopped fricassees. I don't like chopped Popeye fricassees. I make for you to like it.
Oh, why you two-headed face for job fiction? How do you like that? Come on, you're gonna take a double head of this time. Wham!
Well, I guess I fixed those two fellas. I won't hear from them anymore.
Oh, yeah? Oh. Who's gonna make who like chicken fricassee, huh?
There's only room for one great sailor in this world. That's me.
Oh, says you. We're gonna come to terms right now. What do you mean, your island? That's too bad. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, you can push me just so far. That's all I got to say now. Beat the beat, kiddo. That's what I got to say. Take that. Hey. Peekaboo. I sock you.
What do you like that?
Do you give up? What are you, a fresh guy or something? I'll show you. I can see. Up. Don't leave me now. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fella?
Sure!